I'm not ready for the highs in the 30s. No way, not yet, not yet. But hey, for today, we're going to see some pretty warm weather. The good news is great weather to get outside for, but unfortunately the ragweed pollen, it's elevated, so not the best allergy report if you are going to be outdoors, which I do want to point out. Katelyn, if you're watching earlier, she gave me the worst advice ever. I was about to sneeze and she told me to look at the light, but apparently
the light makes you sneeze.
So I'm just going to say, if you need remedies for sneezing, I wouldn't necessarily
don't trust Katelyn Ogle.
Trust Katelyn Ogle. Back to you.
Thank you, Damian.